Hi, welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds. My name is Patrick, and this short video I want to show you this really nice Suzuki Vitara SZ4 1.6 manual, which came into our stock as a result of part exchange. Car comes with full service history, so because of that you've got a warranty up to its 7th birthday, so you could have up to 2 years warranty if you service your car with Suzuki main dealer. This car is equipped, is finished in turquoise metallic paint. You've got 16-inch alloy wheels, and let me show you some features and benefits of a car inside as well. As you can see, you've got plenty of space in the boot, and even so, if you fold the seats down, you will have nearly completely flat floor. And if you need even more space, you've got more space underneath of this false floor. As you can see, interior is really looked after. All the seats are in a perfect condition. Same with roof lining. And at the back you've got plenty of space for adults or for a child seat. Interior on the front, as you can see, is like new. Seats are in a perfect condition. Same with steering wheel. Also, as you can see, it's really low mileage car, just over 26,000 miles. And from equipment you can find multimedia buttons on a steering wheel. You've got Bluetooth connectivity, so you can answer the call while you're driving. You've got a cruise control with a speed limiter, and also the AB radio and the climate control. So if you set it up to any temperature you want, and if you press auto, car will heat up or cool down just to maintain this temperature. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want, I can make another one, more personalized one. So my name is Patrick, and I'm looking to hear from you soon. Thank you very much. Cheers, bye for now.